Have you ever sent follow-up emails making a clarification, answering a question, or defending a decision? That's reactive communication. I've been thinking about how good communication is preemptive, not reactive. Too often, we find ourselves responding, clarifying, or defending. This reveals how our initial communications are falling short. So, why does this happen? Well, we're pressed for time. We make assumptions about what people need to know. We expect them to connect the dots. But here's the thing, as one quote puts it, the single biggest problem with communication is the illusion that it has taken place. When our communication isn't clear up front, at best, our people feel confused. And at worst, they slowly lose trust when they feel kept in the dark or unimportant. What if we took a preemptive approach instead? We can anticipate questions, provide fuller context, set clear expectations. Communication is a major part of how our people experience us as leaders. So taking a preemptive approach shows that we care. It strengthens trust and preserves psychological safety. It's a tiny investment of time that pays dividends in the long run. So I wonder, how could you take a preemptive approach to your next important piece of communication? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider signing up in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.